कोई भी खाना खा लो, आधा तो तुम्हारे ब्रेसेस में ही अटक जाता है, उसके बाद अंदर एक बात तो पहले मुझे ये बताओ, व्हाई आर ऑल दोस डेंटल चेयर्स सो ऑकवर्ड? आई स्टिल डोंट नो हाउ टू मेक इंट्रो, सो समवन प्लीज teach me how to make intro because I don't know how to do it. Jokes apart, we are doing story time. I never thought कि मैं इतनी जल्दी story time बनाने वाली हूँ, but we are making story time. I don't know how many people would be interested in it, how much people would be interested, but I am going to still make it because I feel like making it. So this story time, come yapping, come my experience is going to be all about me getting dental braces or orthodontic treatment. It all, I think, started, yes, it started in 11th grade. I mean, even before that, my parents were like, girl, you need to get braces, your teeth are a little either udhar, I guess. So they were like, ब्रेसेस लगवाने पड़ेंगे एंड आई वाज लाइक लगवा लेंगे जब टाइम आएगा, एंड इट हैपेंड इन 11th ग्रेड. वी गॉट आवर फर्स्ट अपॉइंटमेंट इन मे और वहाँ पे हम पहले दिन वी वेंट एंड आई एम इन द वेटिंग एरिया. उस हॉस्पिटल, इट्स अ बिग हॉस्पिटल, इट्स नॉट अ क्लिनिक, इट्स एक्चुअली अ हॉस्पिटल. सो आई एम इन द वेटिंग एरिया. इट इज रियली chaotic. There are different kind of patients and I'm like waiting. And I'm so nervous. I don't know for why, for what reason, but I'm so nervous. क्योंकि मैंने पहले दिन ही सोच लिया था कि मैं जाऊंगी और पहले दिन ही they are going to put tools into my mouth and they are going to operate on my teeth. मैंने पहले दिन ही ये सोच लिया था कि मेरे साथ ऐसा होने वाला है. So I was done. I was really nervous. I was scared to death, I swear. Since I mentioned it's a hospital, तो उसमें basically 3 तरीके के डेंटिस्ट है. फर्स्ट जो नॉर्मल वाले डेंटिस्ट होते हैं, देन आई थिंक देर आर अराउंड 7-8. फिर सेकंड जो ऑर्थोडोंटिक स्पेशलिस्ट होते हैं, एंड दैट इज वन, ही इज अवेलेबल ऑन लाइक सम डेज ओनली, ही कम ऑन सम डेज. एंड थर्ड आर द ट्रेनीज. So I finally decided that I'll get metal braces. The pain starts because he said that to get braces you'll have to get your 4 teeth removed, like extracted. And I'm like, what did you say? Like, please repeat it, because there was no way that I was getting those 4 teeth removed. Like, why? So at first I was like, no, I'm not getting this done. But somehow my mother ended up convincing me, and my father included, and I got my 4 teeth extracted. I had done my full research. मैं बैठी एंड आई सर्च्ड देयर, क्या डज इट हर्ट, हाउ डज दिस प्रोसेस हैपन, what are the process of braces, everything. I searched everything, and a lot of people said that it hurt, a lot of people said that it did not, and a lot of people said that it was worst pain of their life. And then finally the day came when I had to get my teeth extracted, and I'm scared to death. I'm so nervous and I'm so scared that I'm laughing for no reason. My mother is there with me. I am there in the waiting room. We are waiting to be called by the doctor, and I'm laughing because apparently I'm very nervous and I'm very scared. And whenever that happens, I think the best thing is laugh without any reason, because I did not wanted to show my mother that I was scared, so I was laughing. I don't know अगर ये मेरा luck है or it is the doctors there, but they were really sweet. I swear, I have to say this, that they all are really sweet and they all are really considerate. So yeah, I thank God for that, and I thank my luck for that. I actually got my 4 teeth extracted in 2 rounds. In first round it was female doctor, and in second round it was male dentist. So the second one was actually less painful than first one. I have no reason why, probably experience, but yes. And one thing, एक बात तो पहले मुझे ये बताओ, why are all those dental chairs so awkward? She put some kind of spray, I have no idea. She said थोड़ा कड़वा लगेगा, and I was like, ठीक है, जो भी है जल्दी से कर दो, मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है. And it tasted like mint, and really bitter. एक तो आई डोंट नो, एक तो मेरे को ये जानना है कि वो कितनी ज्यादा बेंड हो सकती है, बिकॉज एवरी टाइम आई ले डाउन ऑन दैट डेंटल chair, it is super awkward. I am so awkward there and I'm like it is so awkward. Seriously, anesthesia वाला जो इंजेक्शन वो लगाते हैं निकालने से पहले दांत, it is the worst thing I have ever experienced and I'll never want to experience that thing again. Normally जब हम इंजेक्शन लगवाते हैं it pains like just like a needle and it is like almost like a pinch, ज़्यादा दर्द नहीं होता. But imagine someone putting needle into your gums. I swear it pains so bad, it is the worst thing that ever happened to me in this whole process. और क्योंकि उसमें anesthesia होता है तो it is even more painful. It feels like I can't describe that kind of pain. It is so bad actually. So she literally injected that thing and I am like cursing under my breath. And after that I stopped feeling. They basically started doing this on my right part first. They did on my right part first and I stopped feeling because obviously anesthesia was injected. No, but cause I swear a lot of people who have got their teeth extracted, I asked them that what is the worst part that you ever felt, and everyone said that they felt nothing when the anesthesia was injected. And I'm like, is it me? The problem is with me. Why did I felt it so much? She got her tools and whenever I watch cartoon, whenever I watch movie, series or the media and entertainment thing, so they're always like dentists are some scary people. So I was really scared and I had all this stereotype made up that dentists are scary people. They are very scary people. And let me tell you, they are. Not that scary, but yes, they are somewhat scary. But yes, I felt the pressure. I felt it fully. And she started doing this with her tool. She's like loosening up. And also मेरे दो दांत एक साथ निकले हैं, like ऊपर जॉ वाला और नीचे जॉ वाला, दो दांत एक साथ निकला है. तो she started loosening it and then she's pulling it with all her might. Literally she's pulling it so much but it is not coming out. And I'm like, क्योंकि anesthesia लग जाता है, so you have basically no control over this part. ये तो एकदम शून्य हो जाता है, तो वहां से सलाइवा गिरना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. एंड आई नो इट साउंड्स रियली ग्रोस, बट यही होता है व्हेन दे पुट द एनेस्थीसिया. सो शी इज लाइक डूइंग दिस विद ऑल हर माइट. शी इज टेकिंग इट आउट, बट वो बाहर नहीं निकला. नॉट अंटिल द सीनियर डॉक्टर केम एंड हेल्प हर, they took it out, and like when they're taking it out, I could see it. It was so bloody. All this bloody thing is coming out and it is so pointed and it is so long. And then they asked me, do you want to keep it? Do you want to take it home? They asked, like they literally asked. I had no idea they'll ask me. And I was already really scared and already really nervous. I was still scared because abhi niche wala nahi nikla tha. So they're like, do you want to take it home? And I'm like, no thanks. No, I don't want to take it home. First of all, I had no idea what was happening. So I just said no straight away. But now when I think about it, I wish I would have said that I want to take it home. I wish I would have taken that. But thanks to my teeth extraction, I ate a lot of ice cream last summer. And I enjoyed every moment of it. Weird kind of gouache they put. उसमें जो medicine लगाते हैं, that yellow medicine, it tastes so bad. And I was told कि जो भी होए सब अंदर लेके जाना है. You cannot spit. Every time I took that medicine inside, it was just coming outside. उल्टी करने का मन कर रहा था. I felt like I need to vomit. Does it hurt? Yes, when you get the injection, it hurts. But when they pull it out, it does not. But after that, when the anesthesia wears off, it hurts. It hurts really well. I had 28 teeth before. Now I have 24 and I feel really sad about it. उसके बाद I have got the braces on as well, and that teeth extraction struggle is nothing if I compare it to this monthly visit to dentist with my dental braces. Every time I get them tightened, मेरे teeth sore हो जाते हैं. My teeth are sensitive. I cannot eat anything. I can brush barely. And I have to eat like dalia, khichdi, chawal, yehi cheezein for 4-5 days. My dentist strictly said me not to eat chocolate, not to eat cheese, not to eat any sort of hard thing. एक और problem जो braces के साथ आती है कि whenever you are consuming anything, तुम कोई भी खाना खा लो, आधा तो तुम्हारे braces में ही अटक जाता है, उसके बाद अंदर जाता है. Usually you talk, so या तो scratches हो जाएंगे inner cheek पे, या तो ulcers हो जाएंगे inner cheek. Why did I get braces then? Because I was manipulated, you guys. I was told by my parents कि एक बार हो जाएगा तो हो जाएगा. And जो भी देख रहा है, if you guys want to get braces, just go for it. It is fun experience. You get to experience a lot, and once you overcome the fear of going to dentist, I think you can overcome any fear. I'll probably see you guys soon in the next video if I end up creating one really soon. Hi guys, subscribe.